Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix sorry something went wrong in Black Myth Wukong. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to open up the task manager on your desktop, and now in here find the application, right click on it, and now click on end task to force stop it, and then restart the game and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then go to your browser and now search for amd.com, and now download the Windows drivers 10 and 11, and now this will auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series graphics, and then your drivers will be updated to the latest version. If that doesn't work, then go into Steam and right click on the game, and now go into properties, and now in here go into installed files on the left hand side, and now click on the last option, verify integrity of game files. Then restart the game and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then another solution that you can try is by making sure that Steam is run as administrator. So instead of double clicking on it, right click on it and now click on run as administrator and see if it works. Now another solution you can try is by first going to control panel, and now on the top right hand side search for allow in, and now on the left hand side you'll see a Windows Defender Firewall, and now click below it that says allow an app through Firewall. Now in here click on allow another app. Click on browse, and now choose the game files, and that will allow it through the firewall. Now go to Steam and go under the system requirements of the game and see if your computer also has the same specs. Otherwise the game will not work properly. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.